If you're struggling to hit 1000 subscribers, then this video is specially for you. I will show you how I took this channel from 0 subscribers to almost 1000 subscribers in just 3 days. So what happened is that this channel I created it sometime last year. I started working on it, then I lost interest because I was working on my main channel, which is this one, Gerald Space, which have almost more than 21,000 subscribers at the time of recording this video. Then sometime this month, earlier this month, I picked this channel back and I started working on it. And in just 3 days, I took this very channel from literally 0 subscribers to this number of subscribers, and also attained over 1 million views and closely 4,000 watch hour while doing this. In a separate video, I'm going to show you how I got 1 million views on this channel and almost 4,000 watch hour to get it monetized. If you're new here, I am Gerard and I make easy to follow tutorial. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to gather subscribers. If you're new to YouTube or you're struggling to get subscribers, this video is definitely going to serve you right. So watch this video to the end, because at the end of this video, I'm going to share a pro tip. This tip is a very one that gurus has been hiding from you. Most of these YouTube gurus that you see online telling you how to boost your channel and all of that, they have been hiding this very tip from you. But at the end of the video, I'm going to share that very tip for you. So stick around and watch this video to the end. Like I said, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notification, like this video, and drop a comment by the end of this video. During the process of this video, I'm going to show you the apps that you'll be needing to grow your channel, everything that's needing to do, all the tips, and every other single hidden trick that so many people have not been giving you access to. I will show you all in this video. And during this process, I'm going to show you 2 steps by which you will all be doing this. And if you follow these steps correctly and stick to this video and watch it to the end, you're going to take care of your channel from whatever it is to 1000 subscribers and over 1 million views, and also get your 4,000 watch hours. So I'll be able to join the YouTube partnership program and start earning money from your video. As you all know, for you to be able to join the YouTube partnership program, you need to have 1000 subscribers and also 4,000 watch hour. And in the past, I've seen a lot of people, especially new YouTubers, struggle to attain these requirements. All right, and these requirements are very, very important. But if you watch this video to the end and apply the strategies the way I'm going to explain in this video, then attaining 1000 subscribers and also 3,000, 4,000 watch hour to monetize your channel won't be an issue for you. So what I would advise you to do is that watch this video to the end and follow these patterns that I'm going to teach you strictly, so you don't go try it then come back and say this didn't work for you. All right, so but if you watch this video to the end and you follow everything I'm going to teach you in this video, trust me, at the end of this video you will have this knowledge and be able to build your subscribers from whatever it is to over 1000, and you also keep building and you also keep growing to whatever height you want, as long as you apply the strategy. It has worked for me. It has worked for over 10 channels I've tried it on, and it has also worked for my friends that I've told them, I've shared this secret with them. So I'm also sharing this here for free today, so that you all will learn and be able to grow your channel from whatever it is to over 1000 subscribers by attaining that requirement and also getting your 4,000 watch hour to be able to join the YouTube partnership program. So without wasting much time, let us get down to business. So first thing first, you need a YouTube channel. I believe you guys already know how to create a YouTube channel. I wouldn't be bothering you with all of that. I'm sure you know how the whole YouTube process of creating channel works. So we won't be going down on that. So if you have your YouTube channel, then we are good to go. The second application you'll be needing to do this is your Instagram. So what you will need to do is that you will need to have an Instagram account. So I will share the screen record of the process by the side of this video so that you understand it properly and be able to follow it as required. All right. The first thing you need to do is that you need to come to your Instagram. You're going to open your Instagram here. When you open your Instagram, then you need to come to your search bar. Click on your search here. Then you're going to see a lot of videos here and pictures. Everything you see here, every single content that you see here, right here, is currently trending. It's currently trending. So what you need to do is just find a video here that suits you, that you like. When you get the video, this part is very, very important. All right. Why I say this is important is because you need to find content that you know that are going to resonate with a lot of viewers. All right. So you can't just find like a random content You get, like, this creating of content is the most important thing when it comes to content creation. I mean, that does that does makes a lot of sense. So what you need to do is that you need to find the content. Very, very important. This part is very, very important. Listen, please. It's very important. You find the content that you know that the viewers are going to love. All of this is trending here. That trending. What is trending here is basically will trend also on TikTok, will trend on YouTube and on Facebook. All right. So you can also use this very method to also grow your TikTok account and also your Facebook page. All right. But right now we're focused on YouTube. So what you need to do is just find any of this video that you know is going to be nice and be able to draw viewers' attention. All right. So let's say this very video. All right. I think I like this video. Then as soon as you get your video, what you need to do is come onto this share button here. Tap on the share button and copy the link. So you come back to your homepage. Then here's another app that I'm going to show you how to use to download video. Now there are a lot of apps that you can use to download TikTok videos or download Instagram videos. There are a lot of apps out there. Sometimes I use Blackhole. Blackhole is like one of the most important app. Aside Instagram videos, you can use Blackhole to download any video at all on the internet. Any video at all on the internet. It's an app I've been using for a very long time now. So I also suggest that what I will do is I will leave the link in the comment section below for you to download Blackhole. It's very, very important. But for the sake of this video, we'll be making use of InSaver. All right. So you can just go to your App Store or Google Play Store, any of them, any app, any phone you're using, and just download InSaver. All right. So now that the link is copied, all you have to do is just come to your InSaver. Here's how InSaver looks like. This is the app right here. This is InSaver. That's the logo so that you won't download the wrong one. So you need to just click on the InSaver. Then it's going to load. It's going to open. So when it opens, you're going to see all of these prices here. You just ignore the prices and just close it, all right? Because we're just starting and we don't have the money yet. So this ad is going to play. Just enjoy the ad. I know everyone hates ad, but let's just enjoy this for now. All right. So, but if you're a big YouTuber and you already have the money, you can also pay for the premium version and start using it. But for now, I'm assuming we don't have the money, so we'll just make use of it. So when you come, this link has already pasted itself automatically here. This is one thing I like about this app. The link has pasted itself automatically. So what you need to do is now just to come here and click on this get post. When you click on get post, it's going to still load, and we're just going to wait for it to load. Then this page is going to open. When it's downloading, this page is going to open. So what will happen is that what you need to do is that now you're going to click on this share button here. Just tap on the share button and it's going to load. If you're just using the app for the first time, it's going to tell you to allow what's it called? It's going to tell you to allow you to access your gallery, your photos and all of that. So as you can see, photo saved to your library. So if I go back to my library now, if I go back to my photos, I'm going to see the video right here. This is the video here. So this is it. So this is the video we'll be making use of for this tutorial. You can download your video, any video that you see that is trending. I know that this video is going to like get a lot of attention. You should go for that video. So now that your video has been saved, we need to go to our YouTube now. All right. I believe everyone already have a YouTube channel at this point. So now we need to go back to our YouTube. So we'll just come to YouTube here. When you come to YouTube, you're going to click on this plus sign. There's a plus sign here, as you can see. You just click on the plus sign. So when you click on the plus sign, just continue. Then you're going to, when you click on this plus sign, this is what you're going to see here, right here. So what you need to do is that if it's on live, if it's on post, live, or videos, you need to come to your shorts. Click on YouTube short on this short. All right, here's what we're going to be making use of. So now when you click on shorts, then you're going to click on your photos and then select the video that's what we're making use of. So this is the video that we'll make and log it. So now we want to click on done. It's going to process. We'll allow you to process, give it enough time to process. So when it's done processing, then you will click on next. This tick sign here, you're going to click on it. Yeah. So what we need to do now, here's a very, very important part. This part is very, very important. So what we need to do at this point is that I want to add sound. We're going to add value to this video. That's what it's called. We're going to add value to this video, because if you just get a video, then just take it to YouTube, then upload. It's going to feel YouTube is going to see that the value has not been added to this video, and it doesn't really make sense. All right. So we want to add value to this video. First, we're going to change the sound on this video. All right. By changing the sound, we want to make use of trending sounds on on YouTube currently. All right. So you know what trending sounds mean. If we make use of trending sound, using that sound, people are going to discover this very video and they are going to engage it more. All right. So what you need to do is I want to click on this add sound. There's this add sound button here. I want to click on it, allow it to load. So you're going to see different sounds here. These sounds you see here are currently trending. As you can see, this recommended sounds. You can just tap on see more. You see recommended sounds here. All of these sounds are trending. All of them. All right. So what we need to do is we'll just select any of this sound that we want to make use of. Let us make use of this Travis Scott sound. Yeah, let's make use of this very one. All right. This one is pointing, so let's make use of this one. All right. So as you can see, the sound has been added. But if we take notes, the both sounds are playing at the same time. So what we need to do is that we need to come on that to this volume. All right. So what we need is do that the original video's volume, we're going to take it down to zero. Take it down to zero. I'm going to allow only the sound, the sound that we added for it to play. All right. So it went everything. As you can see now, it's all the sound that is playing. All right. So another thing that you need to do, another important thing that you need to do is that you need to add a text to this video. All right. We want to add text to this video. While we're doing this is another part of adding value to the video. So when we add text to this video, it changes the video. YouTube algorithms, YouTube bot or algorithm says that okay, fine. This video that has been valued as this video is kind of different. Value has been added to it. So by doing that, we're going to come here. Let's click on this text here. We can just write beautiful nature. All right. So we can just beautiful nature. We can just play around in the text and select the colors that we want. Let's use use Bruno. Doesn't wait, isn't there, baby. So when we're done typing what we want to type, whatever I want to type, we just type it. When we're done typing that, what we need to do there, click on next. Click on next, and we're going to allow it to process. You're going to process. Then it's going to process. So now that it's done processing, here we have three more things to do here in this very page. Three more things that we need to do. The first thing we need to do is that we need to choose like a thumbnail, what's going to like show viewers are going to see before they click on that video. This is another very, very important part. All right. So we can just play around and we'll look for the part that we feel that is going to catch more attention. All right. So we can just go through the video and see. I feel like this very part is going to catch more attention. It's going to get more attention. All right, then we just click on that. Then here you need to add your caption. All right. So what caption are you going to add? You can add any caption that you have in mind. Anything that is in your mind, you can just add it to the video. All right. So for me, I'm still going to use beautiful nature. Beautiful nature. That's what I'm going to use right here. All right. So put it in mind that this very account that I was growing is a football page, but for the sake of this video, I'm not using any of this football related content. I'm using this is just for the sake of this video. All right. So now the first thing we did here, we change the thumbnail. Secondly, thing we did here, we choose the title. So thirdly, here the third and the final step that I want to do here is we are going to change the we're going to here's another thing we're going to do. We need to come under altered content. All right. When you come to this altered content, it's saying is this video did you use AI to generate this video? It's no. So for the sake of this video, clicking on no. So click on no, then we're going to come I'm going to leave a comment on. All right. So we're going to come to this visibility. This visibility right here. We're going to click on it. So you're going to see public, unlisted, and private. Here's another very important part here that you need to know. You're going to come on this schedule. You want to schedule this video. All right. Don't post it immediately. Schedule this video. The reason why you need to schedule this video is that when you leave this video, when you schedule this video, it gives the YouTube algorithm enough time to go through your video, then know the exact audience that you need to push this video to. All right. So we want to select this video, maybe probably select it for the next day. All right. So we're going to select it for next day. Today is 29th of April as the time of recording this video. So we're going to select it for the next day as 30th of April. All right. We can just select it maybe 1 p.m. in the afternoon. All right, 1 p.m. Let's select 1 p.m. in the afternoon. I want to make use of that. Then I'm going to come back. So I want to come back here. So when you come back here, then what you need to do is that you just need to come here and click on update your shot. All right, you just click on update your shot. So when you update your shot, you're going to see your video here is being updated. So that's what you need to do. So that's just every detail that you need to do, step-by-step guide on everything that you need to do. Here's a very important thing that you need to know. You should upload at least 4 to 5 shots every day. Schedule 4 to 5 shots every day. So every day, 4 to 5 shots are being pushed out by YouTube. All right. I kid you not. Within 3 to 5 days, you're going to see a lot of changes. The changes might take time, maybe probably 3 days, maybe 5 days, or maybe on the 10th day. But definitely, this is definitely going to work out very, very well. I've tried it. It has worked out, and I'm sharing this formula here. All right. So if I watch this video to this point, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification. So here comes a premium tip that I promise you guys I'm going to show you at the end of this video. Here's a premium tip and what your YouTube gurus are not telling you. If you want to start uploading shots like this on YouTube, you shouldn't use a new channel. If you don't have an old channel, it's fine. You can start with a new channel. But if you have an old channel, it's better to start with a new channel. Maybe a channel that's like maybe 3 months old upward. All right. If it's 3 months old, the reason why you need to make use of an old channel is because when you start uploading a new channel, YouTube bots at first they say that maybe it's a spam content or something. But if the channel has been old, YouTube already has that. The YouTube bots have already gone through the channel and see that the channel has been there for some time. They easily recommend and push your content out there to viewers. All right. So that's a tip. It's very, very important. If you have an old channel, make sure you make use of it to do this. All right. So you can just create a channel and keep it down. At the end of the day, maybe after 3 months, you try it and use this for example. But if you have a channel that is 3 months older, 3 months or older, if it's 2 months or 1 month, you should just make use of it. But just in case if you don't have any channel, a new channel will also do just fine. All right. Thank you very much for watching this video to this point. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video. If you encounter any challenges or you have more questions or anything you want to add, please drop it in the comment section below and I'll attend to you to the best of my knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you guys in the next video.